Hi guys, this is softmemeware here, and let's get into the product with Infinite Webinarr. So firstly, thank you that you are giving your precious time to watch my video, and inside this video I will show you the product totally from inside. Like I will give you a detailed walkthrough of Infinite Webinarr, as well as I will be giving you 9 good bonuses, super bonuses will be given to you totally free once you have just purchased the product from my website. If you are really want to purchase, you should purchase from any affiliate that they are attaching their bonuses with the product. Okay, so I am also an affiliate, you can also try me. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and there is nothing much to show you inside this tool. Basically this tool is all about live streaming and also the webinar. Like you can use it for unlimited webinars, and also you can use it for live streaming. So let me start with the first option. This is the dashboard. There are some statistics, and also this is a calendar. You can schedule the webinar, and this is pretty usual for any webinar software, like for Zoom or for Google. What was the Google webinar software? I can't remember at that time. Okay, so very usual thing, the schedule thing. And the next thing is let me click on the new meeting. So inside new meeting you have to put your any title. Let me put any random title. You can change the meeting ID, because the meeting ID is a main thing. Once people just want to join inside your meeting, they have to put their meeting ID. That is why you should give it like professionally, or everyone should know who want to whom you are expecting that they can join. They should know the meeting ID. So you can also put the date. Like you have to put the format inside in that format, like YY, the firstly the year, and then the month, and then the date. Okay, so 2021, sorry, I have put wrong. So 2021, and then you can use all the dash also, like 03, like 12 the year, and you can use it as a public meeting. There is anyone can join the meeting. Those who have just the meeting ID, they can join it. And also you can uncheck the box. Let me just click on this box, and you can also use the meeting banner. So let me click on this box for this video. Let me click on create. Sorry, maybe I have did something wrong. I've done something wrong, sorry. The meeting ID must be at least 6 characters. Sorry, I have not put any valid date. Let me put here any valid date, like any random format. Okay, let me click on create meeting. So my meeting is created. Okay, let me just show you inside the dashboard. I think my meeting should be shown here, but inside the meetings section, your meeting will be shown up here. Like I have put any random date, that is why it is showing me the meeting date is 8 years, and anyone can join the meeting. You can edit the meeting format, like the date, and also the banner, and also the title. Everything is customizable, and let me click on cancel, and anyone can join the meeting. So let me click on join meeting. Inside the join meeting section, the main thing comes here. You have to put your meeting ID, or by default, as this is a public meeting, that is why I don't have to put my ID or something like that. Just by clicking the joining option, I have entered inside it. So this is the recording facility, and also the call connecting or disconnecting facility, and the mute or unmute. And this is the raise lower your hand. If you agreeing this, you can also raise your hand. The chat options, and like all of the features that should be given inside any meeting software or webinar, that will be given inside it. Okay, so this is the invite more people, and so these are some features. So that was the software. Now let me show you the additional steps of the product, like the pricings, the ratings, all of the additional steps. So these are the ratings, like 95%, 97, 98, 98, 93, and all over everything is given inside it. But there are little scarcity of feature and facilities. I think Zoom gives you more facilities, and also I have not used it totally. Like I have not joined any meeting inside it. I have not done any meeting inside it. I have just gone through it, and I have gone through it alone. Okay, I have not used it with other people. I have not done any meeting inside this. Okay, that is why the rating should not maybe the rating is wrong. Okay, so overall it has got 9.7 out of 10, which is an outstanding rating, and also the price is 15 bucks only. And this type of things or this type of softwares are really future. Inside future, the work from home, people are more prone to work from home, so that is why these kind of tools are future. So this is the launch period from March 14th of March 11 a.m. EST. Just memorize that time, the New York time, 11 a.m. EST, 14th of March, and the launch ending date is 19th of March, the midnight. So additionally, you have been provided 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and also my bonuses. So these are the descriptions of this product, and now let me show you my bonuses. So these are the sales funnel. I want you to visit this page to check out the bonuses and also to get the product from my website. And the done for you, the Upsell 2 is done for you, the Upsell 1 is unlimited, and these are the pricings and some short descriptions, some bullet points about the upsells. And also the next upsell is done for you. The third one is website traffic, and the next one is agency, and the next one is the all their products, like all the products of the owner. And the last one is Infinite Webinarr Resellers, like you can resell it as it is your product. So these are the bonuses, and inside the bonuses, the first bonus is as usual the free bonus. You can ask me anything about make money online and you will be given the right answer, which I basically know. I am working inside this field more than 8 months, and you will be given the right answer if I know the answer. If I don't know the answer, I will be also answering you that I don't know the answer. Okay, so you can use the Q&A feature inside the free bonus. Okay, so inside my bonus number 1, you will be given webinar authority. Now what is webinar authority? Webinar of authority is an all-in-one package. Inside that package, you will be given the lesson about webinar, how should you do this, what thing you should do or you should not do, or how you can automate your webinar to earn money from online. And the most passive way, best way, I think the best way inside internet to make money online is to give the automation of to make any webinar automation and to earn money very passively. Okay, so inside bonus number 2, you will be given affiliate velocity. So this is a premium tool, like a month ago the tool was launched, and you will be given the tool totally free once you have just purchased a product from my website. So my affiliate velocity is all about what is affiliate marketing, and the best thing which all of the gurus are following. That lesson will be given to you inside this pack. This is a video course pack. Inside my bonus number 3, you will be given PowerPoint template. So as usual, the webinar or the meetings stuffs are really done by the office executive and something like that. So that is why inside bonus number 3, I have put the PowerPoint package, like PowerPoint templates, 20 PowerPoint templates. You can use like infographics. The templates are compacted with infographics and images and also the graphs. So my bonus number 4 is 300 plus remade logo design. You can sell them as your skill inside freelancer. You can use it putting any name, any company's name, and you can use it inside Fiverr, or you can use it for yourself. So my bonus number 5 is click animate. Maybe most probably you have seen some animated stuffs inside any website, any websites, like the buttons or the many bubbles, those are jumping, and that kind of stuffs can be created by the click animate. Click animate is a website animator, and that is given to you inside my bonus number 5. So the special bonus is a premium theme, the COF theme. This is good for marketing websites, I think, and also you can use it for any kind of websites. So that is given to you inside my bonus numbers. Inside my bonus number 6, that is special bonus, and that will be given to you totally free also. So my bonus number, the next bonus is vendor bonus. So the vendor bonus comes by default with the product. Once you have just purchased a product from anyone, you will be given the vendor bonus. Okay, So what are the vendor bonus? Like ninja traffic, the Facebook app secrets, home for site, sales site builder, something like that. There are so many bonuses that is given to you by the vendor, and most probably most of the affiliates will be offering you these bonuses. I think most affiliates are offering you. So once you have just realized that my bonuses are really good, you can check themselves and you can come back to me once you have just realized it. The bonuses I am giving you totally unique and really valuable and also exclusive. You cannot get from anywhere that bonuses. So these are the vendor bonus bundle, and the next bonus is upsell bonus. As the upsells are costlier, that is why if you purchase any upsell from my website, you will be given some valuable bonuses like the more softwares, 200 plus softwares, and also images, musics, and some other packs. And that is the upsell bonus. And the next thing is, after purchasing the product, you must go to your purchase history to access the bonuses. You have to go through your purchase history option. From there you will be given this blue button, the access affiliate bonus button. So by clicking that button you can access it very easily. And that was the product overview and also my bonuses. So I think I should leave now. I am leaving the video, so I am signing out for the video. So bye bye.